Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have ever felt like your kitchen cabinets are a chaotic disaster zone of clanging lids and oddly shaped pans, today is the day your organization dreams come true. We are taking a deep dive into the Carote 19-piece detachable handle cookware set, a system designed specifically to reclaim your kitchen space while promising top-tier performance. Let us start with the biggest selling point, which is the storage. With these detachable handles, you can stack these pots and pans inside each other like a nesting doll. Carote claims this saves up to 70% of your cabinet space, and after testing it, I can confirm that it completely changes the workflow of a small kitchen. You are no longer digging through a pile of metal just to find the one pan you need at the bottom of the stack. The versatility here is the next major highlight. Because the handles are removable, you can easily transition your cooking from the stovetop to the oven, then to the table as a serving dish, and finally into the fridge for leftovers. The handle mechanism feels secure and provides a confident grip, which is vital when you are moving hot food around. This is not just a cooking set, it is a comprehensive kitchen management solution. In terms of performance, these pans maintain that signature Carote non-stick quality. The heat transfer is rapid and even across induction, gas, and electric stoves. Cooking eggs or searing proteins becomes a frustration-free experience because cleanup requires almost zero effort. The set is incredibly generous as it comes with 19 pieces, including 2 fry pans, 2 saucepans, a large sauté pan, silicone lids, fridge storage lids, pan protectors to keep the surfaces from scratching during storage, and a utensil set. Now, let us discuss the pros and cons. The primary advantage is the space-saving modular design and the sheer value you get for the price. Having dedicated fridge lids and pan protectors included shows that they really thought about the day-to-day user experience. On the flip side, you have to be mindful that you are relying on a mechanical handle. While it feels robust, you do have to manually attach and detach it every time, which adds a few seconds to your prep work. Also, you must ensure you have enough handles accessible if you are cooking multiple dishes simultaneously, though they do provide 2 in this set. Carote also backs this up with a 12-month warranty, which gives you some peace of mind regarding the longevity of that non-stick coating and the handle mechanism. Overall, if you are looking to declutter your kitchen and upgrade your cookware to something that works as hard as you do, this set is a fantastic investment. It is efficient, stylish, and remarkably functional. If you want to grab this set for your own kitchen, check the link in the description.